Hello everyone! In this guide, I'll show you how to enable and receive wire transfers on Cash App. First, open Cash App and tap the bank icon in the bottom left corner. Scroll down to the More Ways to Add Money section. Tap Get Bank or Wire Transfer. Review the information. Bank transfers takes 2 to 3 days with the fees. Wire transfers take a few hours to 1 business day with no fees. Tap Verify Identity and follow the prompts. Enter your date of birth, SSN, and upload a photo ID. Once verified, you'll have access to wire transfers on Cash App. And that's it. That's how to enable and receive wire transfers on Cash App. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.